Hey guys, I am back. I know it's been a while. I'm gonna do as quick a video as possible because I know these YouTube videos about reviews on hair could be like long and drawn out. I don't want that to happen here. So this review is gonna be about a company. It's called NADULA Hair. A client of mine dropped it off for coloring. I chose myself about this hair because I was curious as to why she chose this particular brand. I'm giving NADULA Hair thumbs down. Do not waste your money on this hair. This hair does not color well. It gets very stiff and dry. I know visually this might look decent to you. Basically, she wanted me to color it with this color inspiration in mind. This hair is so dry, I literally had to soak it in leave-in conditioner and regular conditioner. I did silicone mix on it literally for 24 hours and it's still dry as ever. You see how you can see those ends are like super, super, super dry? And yes, I did color it blonde, but I have curly hair that I sell and I color it blonde all the time and the hair still behaves well. So with that in mind, I'm giving NADULA the thumbs down. Maybe you think the hair is amazing and you've used it, but if you haven't used really good hair before and you don't have anything to like compare it to, NADULA might work for you. For me, I personally would not use it for myself. I really don't like to I'm not here to bash NADULA. I particularly, with this texture hair, it was curly, think that the hair ends up very dry when you color it. So I'm gonna say no to it. I say no to NADULA. Lots of other people say yes. I actually watched a few videos and this one girl that was saying yes, get NADULA. So like her hair was very stiff. Like if she did like this to her hair, there was like no movement. The whole piece was like moving together at once, you know, which indicates not good quality hair, but she, you know, particularly thought it was amazing. So like to each its own, everybody's gonna have their own opinion. I can say that for my 27 years in this business, as far as doing hair, buying extensions, doing weaves, closures, frontals, whatever, I'm saying no to NADULA. So I'll see you again soon.